You've got good intentions, but a few days or even a few hours later, you forget. Yep, I've done that too. Today we're going to talk about how to remember the habits that you are wanting to make. Welcome, I'm Sheri Traxler with Vireo Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. Last week I talked about how to break a bad habit and using my version of Newton's third law, translating it into the world of habits. I said that instead of it being for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, in our world of habits it's for every action there's multiplied and amplified reactions. Well, let's use that to our benefit. You need to use that to your benefit. How is that? Knowing that there are no little things. For me, when I come to the top of my stairs in my home, I go one direction to my bedroom and one direction to my office. Well, in the evenings, when I've wound down and it's time for bed, I get to the top of the stairs and without thinking, the top of the stairs are a trigger for me. I just want to head down to my office. And if I start down that way, I think, well, I'll just go ahead and check one more email one last time or put away this project piece or whatever. And I think I have to remind myself, no, it's bedtime. Don't get wound back up. Let's use that to your advantage. Maybe you want to eat more slowly and relax during your meals, because we know that relaxing during your meals not only helps you digest food better, it's also going to help you be more productive the rest of the day because it calms the whole nervous system and helps you to refocus. But that's another video for another time. One of the triggers that you can do to help you with that is make the habit of every time you sit down, whether it's at your desk, at the table, in your car, on the sofa, wherever, anytime you go from standing to your behind hitting a seat and you're sitting down, take in a deep breath in the stomach and relax. Let's just try that one time together. In fact, if you're standing right now and you can sit, or you're already sitting, stand up and then sit down. And as soon as you feel yourself sit, that will automatically, even the one breath, put you into a more relaxed state, which is going to help you eat more slowly and mindfully. Let's say that you are wanting to increase how much water that you're drinking. Make walking into the kitchen a trigger to get a glass of water. That may also help stop the mindless rummaging through the pantry. Another habit that often we want to work on is our posture. This one I learned from a gentleman named Chase Hughes, that he recommends putting a Post-it note on the door, on every door frame. So every time you walk through the door, you see that Post-it note, don't even have to have anything written on it, and it just reminds you, straighten up. So that also then helps you anytime that you're walking into a meeting, anytime that you're walking into someone's home, anytime you're walking through a doorway, you're going to be meeting and greeting people, and it becomes muscle memory, automatic to straighten up and not slouch. Here's your assignment. Pick a habit, pick a trigger, pick something you can tie that habit to. Going to the kitchen, filling up with a glass of water. And for 1 week, try that. Let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the little notification bell so that you get all of the videos. And until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.